Hi, Vanessa here. In this video we are making the Pegasus scarf. So it's a open work lace scarf. It's perfect for this upcoming spring, and it's only a 4-row repeat. Okay, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for notifications for new videos that I post. Let's get started. Okay, so here I have some bulky weight yarn. This is Lion Brand's Scarfie, and I have a size 6mm size J hook, and this is Knitter's Pride's Zing crochet hook. Okay, so you want to start with a slip knot, and for this pattern we're going to chain in multiples of 6 plus 3. Okay, so that's 18 plus 3. Okay, so working in the 4th chain from the hook, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to work 1/2 double crochet. To work a 1/2 double crochet, you want to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop with 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, so now we're going to repeat chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to skip the next 3 chain stitches, okay, those 3 chain stitches, and into the 4th one we're going to work another 1/2 double crochet. Okay, chain 1 and then skip the next stitch and work 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. So that's the repeat, which we're starting over. Chain 3, skip 3, so 1, 2, 3, 1/2 double crochet into the 4th stitch, chain 1, skip 1, 1/2 double crochet in the next. Okay, until you have, you're going to repeat that until you have 5 stitches left. So we're going to end with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, and then 1/2 double crochet into the last 2 stitches. Okay, that's the last one right here. Okay, so now you're done with your foundation. So right here where we turned and worked 1/2 double crochet, that counts as 2 1/2 double crochets, and so to even that out we're working 2 1/2 double crochets at the very end on this side. Okay, we're ready for row 1. Chain 1 and turn. Into the same stitch we're going to work 1 single crochet. So insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. That's your single crochet. And then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now in this chain 3 space here, we're going to work 3 double crochet stitches. Yarn over into that space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1 double crochet. Okay, you want to work a total of 3 double crochet stitches. If you don't know the basics, I will link a tutorial for the basic stitches. Okay, now we're going to chain 2, and the repeat is 1 single crochet in this chain 1 space here, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 2, and then we repeat 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2. Okay, so right here in the end we're going to work 1 single crochet right into the space. Okay. Okay, now we're ready for row 2. So for row 2, we're going to start with 6 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn your work. So the 6 chains count as 1 treble and a chain 1 stitch. Okay, so now we're going to work 1 half double crochet into this first double crochet stitch here. Okay, so yarn over into that very first double crochet stitch, work your half double crochet. Okay, chain 1. We're going to skip the next double crochet and work 1 half double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Okay, so now the repeat across is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 half double crochet. So we're looking at these sets of double crochets. You're going to work 1 half double crochet, you skip a stitch, and 1 half double crochet. Okay, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, skip the next double crochet stitch here, work a half double crochet in the next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work a half double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, chain 1, and a half double crochet. Okay, so we're going to end with, so right here, the start of this row, the last row, is actually a single crochet right there. So you want to chain 1 and work a treble into that single crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the single crochet from the last row. Okay, and then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so that matches our chain 6 over here. Okay, row 3, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. That counts as a double crochet stitch. I'll link a chainless double crochet stitch tutorial. I really love that technique as opposed to chaining 3. You can check that out if you like. Okay, so again, that counts as a double crochet stitch. We're going to work 1 double crochet right into this space right here. Okay, so right into this space, 1 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 2, and then the repeat, just like the last row that we did here, is 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 2, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. So the chain 1 space is between the 2 half double crochets. Chain 2, work 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 2. So we're near the end. We're going to work 1 single crochet into that chain 1 space, chain 2, and then we're going to work 2 double crochets into this space here, which will match this side. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. Okay, so that's row 3. Now we're ready for row 4. You want to chain 2, turn your work. That counts as a half double crochet. So right into this next double crochet stitch, you want to work 1 half double crochet. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the start of the repeat. Half double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, chain 1, skip 1, 1 half double crochet in the next. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet in the next, chain 1, and when I say next, it's the next double crochet here. 1 half double crochet. Make sure you skip that middle double crochet stitch, chain 3, 1 half double crochet in each of the last 2 stitches here. So that's the end. And once you work a few rows, you actually get used to the pattern and what you need to work. So that is pretty much it, guys. You're going to repeat rows 1 through 4 until you are happy with your size. For the Pegasus scarf, I just crocheted until I ran out of yarn. Okay, so you want to end with the rows that are only half double crochets. Okay, so that's either row 2 or row 4. That is so you can match the beginning. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you next time.